The S1 series cameras offer a headphone port and a microphone port. Let's talk about how to control the volume for your headphone and how to control the features of your microphone. Let's start with our headphone. So we have our headphones connected right now. Headphone goes into the headphone port, which is the bottom of the two ports at the top of the camera. Once connected, we have our volume control right here. And as you can see, I have the ability to control the volume up and down. That's really all you need to do with your headphones. So let's talk about the microphone. Go into the camera's menu. We want to go to the movie camera tab. From the movie camera tab, we then want to be the microphone or the audio page. Once here, you'll have several options. The top option is sound record level display. We can see our levels here. They're monitoring whether or not we have oversaturated the microphone. To turn those off, simply select off, and they're gone. Sound record level. This is how we adjust the volume of the pickup of the microphone. Simply listen for the dialogue of the person you're interviewing. We want their levels to hit the 12. So in this case, we might want to turn that up just a little bit. There's a little 12 symbol there. And then we would be set. Sound record level limiter. This is great if you have two people on camera at the same time and one of them talks really loud and one of them talks really quiet. It'll help to try to keep their volume more normalized, but sometimes you can hear background hiss when using this. If you're hearing background hiss, simply turn it off. Wind cut, if there's a heavy amount of wind, the microphone will pick that up. So wind cut helps to offset some of that wind noise. You have three settings: low, standard, and high. And obviously off. You'll notice that mic socket right now is blacked out, and that's because we're using a special microphone from Panasonic. I'm going to quickly connect a different microphone so that we can see the mic socket turn live. From here, the top option is if my microphone is a powered microphone. We will send electricity down the cable to the mic to power it. If your external mic doesn't accommodate power over the headphone connection or microphone connection, simply select the second option for those mics. Finally, if you're using an external PA or sound mixer, you'll want to set this to line input. When using the S-series cameras, Panasonic makes a microphone called the MS2, and it has some special functionality that you can take advantage of when using it. Simply go to the special microphone menu, and you'll see multiple options. The top option is stereo. The MS2 has a stereo array. It's located right here. So if you wanted stereo pickup, it's built into the microphone. Going to lens auto will use the shotgun array. So you'd point your shotgun at your subject, and as you zoom the lens, the camera will automatically narrow its pickup along with the lens narrowing its angle of view. Shotgun is a standard shotgun pickup. Super shotgun is a very narrow pickup. And you also have the ability to manually adjust the pickup from a very wide pickup from the shotgun to a very narrow pickup on the shotgun. And those are the headphone and microphone features of the S-series cameras.